Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics, GA4 property and access. First, verify the tracking code or GTM tag is live on key pages. Once done, open real-time to confirm events fire as you navigate. Next, create primary conversion events, form submit, purchase, sign up, so you capture outcomes from the start. Make sure data streams are labeled clearly and set your time zone and currency correctly. These small settings stop later confusion and keep reporting aligned with campaign goals. Now you build the measurement layer. You should map marketing touchpoints to events and add consistent UTM parameters across campaigns so attribution is accurate. Create audiences based on behavior, visited product, abandons cart, engaged 3+ pages, and export them to Google Ads. Then, use explorations to craft funnel and path analyses that reveal drop-off points. As you do this, validate parameter values in debug view. Consistent naming makes segmentation and automated reporting reliable and repeatable. Finally, set up actionable dashboards focused on conversions, cost per acquisition, and user value so reports drive decisions. Once dashboards exist, schedule regular exports and alerts for sudden metric shifts. If numbers look wrong, start troubleshooting. Check Debug View and Tag Assistant for missing events, confirm filters or internal traffic rules aren't excluding users, and review UTM consistency. Make sure to document any fix so you don't repeatedly chase the same error. That single habit saves hours in future audits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.